In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set work days and duration in Smartsheet. By the end, your project plan will respect your actual work week and calculate task timing accurately, which means your start and finish dates will align with reality instead of spilling into weekends or days off. First, head to smartsheet.com and sign in. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. From here, locate your workspace in the left-hand panel. A workspace is simply a folder-like area where your sheets and assets live. So choose the one that contains the project you want to adjust. Open the sheet you're working on. This can be in Grid, Gantt, or Card View. The settings we're about to change apply to the entire sheet, regardless of view. With the sheet open, look for Settings or Project Settings in the toolbar. This is where Smartsheet keeps all the scheduling controls that affect work days, working time, and how durations calculate. In the Settings panel, find the section for working days. Select the days your team actually works. For many teams, that's Monday through Friday, and clear any days that shouldn't count, like weekends. If your organization observes specific non-working days or holidays, add them here so Smartsheet knows to skip those dates when calculating timelines. This step is key. When a task spans a weekend or a holiday you've defined, the sheet will automatically push work into the next available workday instead of counting non-working time. Next, enable dependencies. Turning this on tells Smartsheet to treat the sheet like a project schedule, which unlocks automatic date calculations. When you enable dependencies, Smartsheet will either create or let you map columns for start, finish, duration, and predecessors. For the duration field, choose the option to add to a column so that Smartsheet creates a dedicated duration column in your sheet. This keeps your schedule clean and ensures all calculations happen in one place. Click Apply to save your settings. You should now see the new or updated project columns appear. From here, go to the duration column in your sheet and start entering durations for your tasks. Use simple formats like 1D for 1 day or 4H for 4 hours. Smartsheet calculates based on your working days, so a task set to 5D will spread across 5 work days and avoid weekends or any non-working days you defined. If you later link tasks using the predecessors column, Smartsheet will automatically adjust start and finish dates based on those relationships and the durations you've entered. That's it. Your sheet now respects your real work week and calculates task timing correctly. Save your sheet and you're ready to plan with confidence.